Some people wonder, are chiropractic adjustments safe? Definitely. A New Zealand government inquiry found that chiropractic adjustments are remarkably safe. The adjustments are about 100 times safer than taking a common over-the-counter pain reliever. The chiropractic approach uses conservative and natural solutions to reduce the chance or need of more invasive, dangerous, and costly treatments like drugs or surgery. A good example of how safe chiropractic is compared to medical treatment is the malpractice costs. The malpractice rates for a chiropractor is a small fraction of the rates charged to a medical doctor.